quite often have couples that have been living together for years coming to see me. They've not married, they may or may not have children, and they want to know what they need to do. What I normally suggest is first that they complete a cohabitation agreement. This is an agreement that you can do before you start living together, but it can also be revised on an annual basis. It has legal effect, provided you take separate legal advice, and it's fair, so you can't have one party dominating the other. Another thing that you need to consider is that you're not treated as next of kin, so you need to have lasting powers of attorney, appointing each other as your attorneys. This should be a property and affairs power of attorney dealing with your finances, and a welfare power of attorney, which would deal if you lost your mental capacity, where you lived, how you dressed, what you ate. Otherwise, you have no authority to look after each other in such time of need. Another thing that you need to consider is how to deal with your assets on death. The third aspect is wills. If you don't do a will, leaving everything to your partner, then under the intestacy rules, your partner will receive nothing. By expressly leaving everything in a will to your partner, you can ensure that they will be looked after in their old age. You may wish to consider getting married for tax purposes. Tax on the first death above their nil rate band, everything going to the survivor off you under a will, and then being taxed again because you don't have spouse exemption, which allows gifts between the first to die to the second tax-free. You may wish, if you've got children, to set up a discretionary trust, giving the survivor off you the right to perhaps the income, but retaining the capital for your children in the future. This is a complex area and everybody's circumstances are different. Please do get in touch. I'm happy to talk your issues through with you, your particular circumstances one-to-one. Thank you for listening.